stock with the 100 grit, the 150, the 180, the 220, the 380, 320, and the 400 grit. And I don't know if you remember from the previous videos or not, but the stock was much lighter in color at that point. The sanding has brought out the deep, rich tones of the walnut. And I'm just going to kind of go over this real quickly and let you get an idea of how it's looking. This is all grain in here. It's extremely smooth. I've taken it down to where there's hardly any nicks or scratches left in it at all. The wood, the pores of the wood are somewhat open, but that's the nature of walnut, so that's not going to be a problem. There are a couple of little nicks right here from years of use, but I'm going to consider those character marks. So I love this area here where this comes in on either side. Kind of a neat design feature. And the bottom of this, there's some nice grain in that part there. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but that's where we are. The next step is starting the oil, the true oil treatment. So I will do that and get back with you as soon as I get something else to show you. So that's where we are now. Stay safe. Oh, by the way, thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing, and I very much appreciate your interest in this project. So hopefully it will come out good, and we'll have something nice when we're finished.